If you want to remotely control your PC using your OnePlus 15, in that case we can go to Settings. Next in here we can choose Cross-Device Connectivity or Device Connect. It can be named either this or that. And then in here we can go to PC. Now we can use the OnePlus Connect app on our computer in order to connect both our devices, and then you can access the remote control option. So on your computer you want to go to connect.oppo.com. You should be able to find these two download options. So of course you want to download the app for Windows or for Mac OS, depending which operating system you use. Once you install the app, you should see something like this, and ideally we want to sign into our OnePlus account, so we can click over here on sign in, choose OnePlus, and then of course you can enter your credentials, use the verification code or sign in with password, because it will be just much easier to connect like this. Of course you need to have OnePlus accounts. If you don't have one, you can set it up, for example, on your phone in the main menu of settings. Alright, so once we sign in, now we can go back to our phone. And over here, first we're gonna go to the multi-screen connect, because over here, while we do have the remote PC control, well, we can also tap on connect to a new device. Either way, whichever you choose, we can find our PC over here. There we go. And in case there is no connection actually working, first we can, like I said, go to multi-screen connect, and we should be able to connect with our PC over here. And in my case, I actually have connectable because I connected to my PC before. So I just have to confirm by tapping on the connect. Alright, so now over here we have the remote control option as well. And we need to go to our computer, and we should be able to find the option over there. But actually we're gonna go to remote PC control here, and we can go to add new device, so something that we saw before. So let's select our computer. We can tap on the remote desktop icon in here on the right side, and let's see if it's gonna work. What we can also do is we can go to remote control over here on the left side, and you can find additional instructions on how to connect. But we should be able to easily connect with our computer. And once we do, this is how it looks like on our phone. We have a bunch of different options that we can go through, so we can easily do anything on our computer from our phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.